Welcome to polar blasting, the frontier of car detailing, where the future of vehicle maintenance isn't just imagined, it's realized. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary world of dry ice blasting, a game-changing technique that brings out the true shine of your automobile, preserving its elegance and enhancing its performance. Unlike traditional cleaning methods, dry ice blasting uses solid CO2 pellets that sublimate upon contact, transforming directly from a solid to a gas. This means no water, no chemicals, and no residue, just a clean that's both thorough and environmentally friendly. At Polar Blasting, we're not just about cleaning cars, we're about preserving them. Our state-of-the-art dry ice blasting technology ensures your vehicle isn't just cleaned but protected, maintaining its integrity and extending its lifespan. Join the revolution in car detailing and experience the unmatched power of dry ice blasting with Polar Blasting. Visit us at polarblasting.net to schedule your appointment or learn more about our services.